Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about some basic commands in Kali Linux. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
First thing first, let us open the terminal. Let us begin with the command cd. What does the cd means? Cd is used to bring the change from the present working directory to another directory. Like you want to go to another directory. Uh, Now at the present, my present working directory is root. You may ask me, how do I know that? This sign, the wave sign over there representative says that I'm in root folder. Okay, the another way to find the present working directory on which you are in is by giving the command present working directory pwd. Okay, enter. Here you can see an slash sign, right? The slash sign represents this system file. Okay, inside this system file there is a root folder. What I meant is that, see, this is a system file, right? System file, open. Okay, inside this system file you have a root folder over here, right? You're inside this now. You're inside this root folder. So the contents of the root folder will be the desktop, documents, download, music, pictures. So you want to find what are the contents in terminal. So there's a command ls which will list the directories and the files which are there in the present working directory, that is root in this case. So now we want to go to desktop. How you can go? It's like changing the directory, right? So command cd, change the directory to desktop. Okay, now your present working directory is desktop, pwd. It's your desktop. Now you want to go back one folder back. So what command you can type instead of typing going to the system file then to the root folder? The easy way is like typing cd dot dot. You're in the root folder. You're in the root folder now. Okay, this is how you can use the command cd. Okay, is this clear? Okay, now clear all the whatever you have written in the terminal. So clear it. So clear is a command which you are going to give to clear every stuff what you have written in terminal. So clear. As you have seen the way in which you can change the directory using cd command. Now let us see how you can make a directory. So to make a directory there's a command mkdir. So let me first go to my desktop. So I'm in root folder, right? So cd desktop. I'm in desktop now. Now I want to create a directory. So mkdir, name the directory anything. I'm naming it as q. So you have a q directory created in your desktop which you can see over here. Okay, this is a way in which you can make a directory. Now how can you make a file? To make a file there are like commands like touch, cat, then vim commands. Now let me go through the commands one by one. Say touch, 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 name, give a name, any name, fine. As you can see, a text file is created over here. Now using vim command we are going to create a text file. Okay, let the name be e. Okay, as you can see, now you can't, if you type any character in your keyboard, it won't get entered. So only when it enters, only when you press I. Only when you press I, you can see an insert over here. Now you can start typing anything, whatever you want to enter the character, you can enter here. Okay, I'll just say it one, and now you want to get out, so you want to escape, and you need to save it, so write it, save it and write it and quit. So escape, then a colon, write it, quit it, enter. That is WQ, colon WQ to exit from it. And another way in which you can create a text file is by using greater than symbol. Say D see, is another way in which you can create a text file. Another way is that using cat and greater than, and say you have a, you want to create a file name f dot. Okay, whenever you use an cat before the greater than symbol, now you can actually enter the character. So test 1 and so on, you can go on giving the character. Okay, now you want to get out of it, so control C, you came out of it. So whatever the now you want to see the contents in say a vim, I mean the E text. So cat E, see test 1, you can say text 1, that was a content in our E dot text. Okay, these are some ways in which you can create maker directories and also text files. So before, okay, let's clear it. Now let us see the commands like copy, move. So now we are going to copy a file, say W to Q. So copy cp is a command used to copy the file. So we'll move copy the file W to Q. So the W file is copied to Q now. Similarly, you want to move multiple, I mean you need to copy multiple file. So command will be cp d dot txt e dot txt to Q. So you have moved the multiple file to Q. Now you want to remove the files from Q. First you need to go to Q. Now you need to remove it. So remove is a command used to remove the files. So w dot txt, then you need to remove d dot txt dot, then you want to remove e dot txt. So it got removed from Q. Now you want to copy a directory. To copy a directory, first let me go back to the desktop. Now I will make a directory, say W. So now I want to copy Q to W. So cp r Q to W. So the Q will be copied to W now. Now I want to remove Q from W. So I need to go to W. So cd W. Now remove. Instead of using remove, you can use remove directory. It can be only used when the directory is empty. So Q is empty over here in W. So you're going to remove it. So remove Q. Remove Q. It got removed. Now let's go back. Let's do the same operation, similar operation using move command. So let's go back. Okay, now we are in desktop. Now I'm going to move e dot txt to Q. I moved it. Similarly, you can move multiple files. So e is done. So d dot txt, then f w to Q. Now you have moved all the files to Q. Now you want to move this directory to W. So move Q directive to W. So now we have moved the Q to W. So the contents of W will be Q, the contents of Q will be those files. Now you need to remove the W. Since the W is not an empty folder, you can't use the command remove directive, that is rmdir. So command used here is remove W. Everything got deleted. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. This is the first video in which I'm teaching, so please if you do like it, please comment down below. If you need like improvement in the way in which I teach, please give me a like suggestion how I can change. Please, thank you, and share, subscribe. Okay, bye.